Dear students, in this session first we are going to see a few more results followed by problems. Z equal to 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. This comes to 2 cos squared theta by 2 plus I 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. You take 2 cos theta by 2 in common, cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. To find the modulus, this value will represent modulus of the whole number. Argument of Z equal to theta by 2. So this is a sum R into cos theta plus I sin theta. This value represents, suppose take modulus of whole, modulus of this one plus modulus of this one. This you can keep it as it is. This is equal to 1. So argument means cos theta plus I cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. So arg Z equal to theta by 2. Next result, you take reciprocal 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, that is 1 by, this is equal to cos theta by 2 I sin theta by 2. So 1 by 2 secant theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. 1 by 2 secant theta by 2. If you bring it to numerator, it will become cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. Cos of minus theta by 2 plus I sin minus theta by 2. So modulus Z equal to 1 by 2 secant theta by 2. Argument of Z equal to minus theta by 2. Then the third result, Z equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So 2 cos squared theta by 2 minus I into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2 cos of minus theta by 2 plus I sin minus theta by 2. In this case, modulus Z equal to 2 cos theta by 2, argument of Z equal to minus theta by 2. So fourth result, 1 by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. 1 by, for this you have 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. So 1 by 2 secant theta by 2. If you bring this term into numerator, it will become cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. Modulus Z equal to 1 by 2 secant theta by 2. Argument of Z equal to theta by 2. z equal to 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta, that is 2 sin squared theta by 2 plus I into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. You take 2 sin theta by 2 in common, sin theta by 2 plus I cos theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So modulus z equal to 2 sin theta by 2, argument of z equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Next result, z equal to 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta, that is z equal to 1 by, for this you know that 2 sin theta by 2 into cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2 cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Cos minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus I sin minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. In this case, the modulus value is 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2, argument of z equal to minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 or theta by 2 minus pi by 2. Next one, z equal to 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta, 2 sin square theta by 2 minus 2y sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 minus I cos theta by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Two sin theta by 2 cos of minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus I sin minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So modulus z equal to 2 sin theta by 2, argument of z equal to minus of minus pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Minus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is theta by 2 minus pi by 2. One by 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. So 1 by 2 sin theta by 2, right? This one cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Here we have minus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. One by 2 cosecant theta by 2 cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So modulus is at 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2. Argument of z pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Z equal to 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta. 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus theta plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta equal to 1 plus cos phi plus I sin phi, where phi equal to pi by 2 minus theta, which is in the form of first result 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. In place of theta we have phi. So at modulus Z equal to, so this can be written as 2 cos phi by 2 cos phi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 using result 1. So modulus Z equal to 2 cos phi by 2. 2 cos 1 by 2, in place of phi you take pi by 2 minus theta. 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Arg Z equal to phi by 2, but in place of phi we have pi by 2 minus theta. So pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Next result, you take 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta. One by 2 cos phi by 2 right. 1 by 2. So cos of, bring it to numerator, it will become minus 5 by 2 plus I sin minus 5 by 2. So modulus z equal to 1 by 2 secant by 2, 1 by 2 secant 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus theta, that is 1 by 2 secant pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Argument of z. So minus pi by 2 minus theta minus pi by 4 plus theta by 2 or theta by 2 minus pi by 4. Next result, z equal to 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta. This can be written as 1 plus cos phi minus I sin phi, where phi equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, using the previous, fifth results, modulus z equal to 2 cos phi by 2. 2 cos 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus theta. 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Arg z equal to minus pi 2. Minus simplify, you take pi by 2 minus theta. So minus pi by 4 plus theta by 2 equal to theta by 2 minus pi by 4. One by 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos phi minus I sin phi, where phi equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In this case, modulus equal to 1 by 2 secant phi by 2, 1 by 2 secant 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus theta, 1 by 2 secant pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Arg z 5 by 2, 1 by 2 pi by 2 minus theta, that is pi by 4 minus theta by 2. z equal to 1 minus sin theta plus I cos theta. 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus theta plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta. That is 1 minus cos phi plus I sin phi. Phi takes value pi by 2 minus theta. For this 2 sin phi by 2 sin phi by 2 plus I cos phi by 2. 2 sin phi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus phi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So modulus z equal to 2 sin phi by 2, that is 2 sin 1 by 2 pi by 2 minus theta. 2 sin phi 4 minus theta by 2. But argument of z equal to pi by 2 minus phi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 1 by 2. In place of phi we can write pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus pi 4 plus theta by 2. That is pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Next, z equal to 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus I cos theta. Z equal to 1 by two sin phi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus pi by 2. One by 2 cosecant phi by 2 cos of minus of pi by 2 minus phi by 2 plus I sin minus of phi by 2 minus phi by 2. So modulus z equal to 1 by 2 cosecant phi by 2, 1 by 2 cosecant 1 by 2. In place of phi you can write pi by 2 minus theta. So that 1 by 2 cosecant pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So arc z equal to minus of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus theta minus pi by 2 plus pi 4 minus theta by 2 minus pi by 4 minus theta by 2 minus of pi 4 plus theta by 2. z equal to 1 minus sin phi minus I cos phi. 1 minus cos phi by 2 minus theta minus I sin phi by 2 minus theta. 1 minus cos phi minus I sin phi. Phi takes value phi by 2 minus theta. 2 sin phi by 2 sin phi by 2 minus I cos phi by 2. Cos phi by 2 minus phi by 2 I sin phi by 2 minus phi by 2. So equal to 2 sin phi by 2 cos minus of phi by 2 minus phi by 2 plus I sin minus of so here modulus z equal to 2 sin phi by 2 2 sin 1 by 2 into phi by 2 minus theta 2 sin pi 4 minus theta by 2. Or z equal to minus of phi by 2 minus phi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 pi 4 minus theta by 2 pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4 minus theta by 4. So minus pi by 4 minus theta by 4 minus of pi by 4 plus theta by 4. So theta by 2. Z equal to 1 by 1 minus sin phi minus I cos phi 1 by 2 cosecant phi by 2 or 1 by 2. Using the previous results, in place of this we can write 1 by 2 sin phi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus phi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 minus phi by 2. So 1 by 2 cosecant phi by 2 Bring this into numerator. Cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So modulus is equal to 1 by 2 cosecant 5 by 2, 1 by 2 cosecant 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus theta, that is 1 by 2 cosecant pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Or is that equal to pi by 2 minus 5 by 2. So pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi 4 plus theta by 2. So you should know how to bring the answer, and you have to remember all the results. Using those results in the mixed manner, question can be asked. If real part of z minus 1 by 2z plus I equal to 1, where z equal to x plus iy, then the point lies on first option, circle whose center is at minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Straight line whose slope is minus 2 by 3. Straight line whose slope is 3 by 2. Circle whose diameter is root 5 by 2. That z equal to x plus iy. First to find, simplify z minus 1 by 2z plus I. X plus y minus 1, 2 into x plus iy plus I. X minus 1 plus iy, 2x plus I into y plus 1. 2x minus I into y plus 1 divided by 2x minus I into y plus 1. So 4x squared plus y plus 1 whole squared. So 2x into x minus 1, real part in real part. Then multiply minus I with I, minus I square, that is plus 1. Y into y plus 1. Here 2x is okay, 2y plus 1 is to have 2y plus 1. Plus you take imaginary part in common, yeah, 2x into y, 2xy, then here real part, here imaginary part, minus x minus 1 into 2y plus 1. Real part of z minus 1 by 2z plus I equal to 1, which means 2x into x minus 1 plus y into 2y plus 1 whole divided by 4x square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 1. Two x squared minus 2x plus 2y squared plus y by bring this terms to the right hand side. Here you should have 2y plus 1 whole squared. Equal to 4x squared plus 2y plus 1 the whole squared. Two x squared plus 2y squared minus 2x plus y, 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 4y plus 1. You simplify, bring this side. 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals 0. X square plus y squared plus x 3 by 2y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X square plus x y square plus 3 by 2y plus 1 equal 0. You have to make this into perfect square. In place x squared, you write x. Here we have plus sign. You divide the coefficient of x by 2, that is 1 by 2. Put whole square and subtract the square of this one, that is minus 1 by 4 plus. In place of y square, write 1, y, here plus, so you have plus sign. You divide this value by 2, that is 3 by 4. Apply whole square minus square of this one, 9 by, if you simplify, you will get this answer. Plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus y plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 4 plus 9 by 16 minus 1. You take 16 as LCM. 4 times here we have 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So minus 8. That is 5 by 16. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus y plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to root 5 by 4 whole square. Comparing with x minus h the whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is an equation of circle. If center is given, center h comma k, here center h comma k, radius r, this represents circle. Here if you compare this center minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4, radius root 5 by 4, diameter 2r, 2 into root 5 by 4, that is root 5 by 2. So option 4 is correct in this sum. If the equation x square plus bx plus 45 equals 0, b belongs to R, has conjugate complex roots, and they satisfy modulus z plus or equal to twice root 10 b square minus b root this 30, b square plus b equal to 72, b square minus b equal to 42, b square plus b equal to 12. So the given equation is x squared plus bx plus 45 equal to 0. Let z equal to alpha plus or minus I beta be the roots. Sum of the roots alpha plus I beta plus alpha minus I beta equal to minus b. Two alpha equal to minus b. Alpha equal to minus b by 2. Product of the roots alpha plus I beta into alpha minus I beta equal to c by a, that is 45. So alpha square plus beta square equal to 45. So modulus of z plus 1 equal to twice root, that is given. So in place of z, write alpha plus or minus I beta plus 1 equal to twice root 10. So you know 2 alpha equal to minus b, alpha square plus beta square equal to 45. So alpha plus 1 plus or minus I beta equal to twice root 10. Alpha plus 1 whole squared plus or plus beta squared equal twice root 10. Alpha plus 1 whole square plus beta square equal to 4 into 10. So alpha squared plus 2 alpha plus 1 plus, we know that alpha square plus beta squared 45. So beta squared equal to 45 minus alpha squared. So 45 minus alpha squared equal to 40. Plus alpha square minus will be cancelled. So that 2 alpha equal to 40 minus 46, that is minus 6. 2 alpha. So 2 alpha equal to minus b. So minus 6 equal to alpha equal to minus 3. So b equal to 2 alpha equal to minus b, b equal to minus 2 alpha. 2 into minus 3, that is, so b equal to 6. We have to find b square minus b. So 36 minus 6, 30. B square plus b. 36 plus 6, 42. So this one is the among the given options is correct. Option 1 is correct. if 3 plus I sin theta divided by 4 minus I cos theta, theta belongs to 0, 2 pi close interval. Is a real number, then argument of sin theta plus I cos theta is pi minus tan inverse of 4 by 3 pi minus tan inverse of 3 by 4 minus tan inverse of 3 by 4 tan inverse of 4 by 3. Z equal to 3 plus I sin theta by 4 minus I cos theta. 3 plus I sin theta by 4 minus I cos theta into 4 plus I cos theta by 4 plus I cos theta. So 16 plus cos square theta, 4 into 3, 12. If you multiply, minus sin theta cos theta plus I into 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. We have separated real parts and imaginary parts. Here Z is purely real. The given sum, the statement is purely real, which means imaginary part of Z equal to 0. This is the imaginary part. 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta divided by 16 plus cos theta equals 0. 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta equals 0. Four sin theta equal to minus 3 cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to minus 3 by 4. Tan theta equal to minus 34. So tan theta minus 4 means theta lies in the sand quadrant. Tan theta minus 3 4, which implies cot theta minus 4 by 3. So if you take alpha should be taken as a, in sin cotangent the argument formula is pi minus alpha, but alpha should be positive. Alpha equal to tanus of plus 3/4 or cotanus of, if you consider this formula, the alpha should be positive value, tanus of 3/4 or cotanus of 4/3. We need argument of sin theta plus I cos theta equal to, the theta is negative, so pi minus tanus of y by x cos theta by sin theta, pi minus tanus of, here cot theta takes value 4/3. So tanus of cot theta value is 4/3. Tan theta 3/4, cot theta 4/3. So pi minus tanus of 4/3. That is the answer. So the next class we will discuss more sums as well concepts. Thank you.